Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make text bigger on WhatsApp. So here you can just open the WhatsApp app. Black is for privacy lock, and here you can just top right corner of two dots, click to settings, and there is the option of chats. So in the chats you will see the font size. So you will have to click to the font size. The font size is on currently medium, so you will just switch to large and go back and open the random chat of anyone, and you will see the text is bigger. So this is how to text bigger on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.